for B sub 1 and B sub 2, okay, so these are coefficients for the dummy variables. Okay, so we cannot say that, you know, as kilometer increases, okay, you can't say as fuel type increases by 1, okay, that doesn't mean anything, okay, because it is not a numerical variable, it's a nominal variable. And the values are only, there are only two possible values for these dummy variables, either 0 or 1, right? So these interpretations rely on the category that was left out. Okay. 0 represents the category that was left out, 1 represents the category that this particular variable stands for. So here the base is what? Base of 0, the category that was left out was, okay, petrol. Right? So B sub 1, the value is minus 672.96. So now you are comparing against 0 or 1. 1 means this is what fuel type is, diesel, right, or petrol. For B sub 2, the comparison will be 0 and 1. So 1 is CNG, 0 is petrol. Okay, so here this one is diesel, right? So relative, so what we have to say is relative to petrol vehicle. Of course, remember this is European data set with price in euros, so that's the reason why they have fuel type as petrol here. So relative to a petrol vehicle, diesel vehicle will cost, okay, so now comes the coefficient itself, will cost, see, now we will drop the negative sign and then say less. So relative to petrol vehicle, a diesel vehicle will cost that amount less. All right, so now the caveat here is what? With the same kilometer and weight. Right? So I'm going to copy that here, and this is what happens when you copy. You say linear regression and linear regression a second time. So you have to be very careful when you copy paste and make changes. So let's see. Oh my God! See, I did the same mistake. B sub 3 is 42.5. So this is actually 42.5. 320 is for B sub 2. Another 20.32 is for that. So this one is 42.47. So that should be 42.47. In the joys of copy pasting. All right, so relative to now same. So now this time we are comparing CNG with petrol vehicle. So change that to CNG, and of course change this. Now this is going to cost more because it is a positive coefficient, 320.32 more with the same weight and kilometer. Okay. Now actually I was all right. So if you want to estimate, if you want to use the equation to estimate, I intended this to be blank, so you can fill it out. Okay. So estimate the price of a petrol vehicle that weighs 1500 kilograms. So this is 1500, 80,000. Okay, so 80,000. Suppose, sometimes these are given in thousands or hundreds, in which case you have to make the adjustment. Okay. The fuel type, okay, if the vehicle is petrol, then they both are zeros. So now we can compute the y hat value. So y hat is, so here, where is the, okay, here are the coefficients. So intercept, right? And then we can use some product of these coefficients with these values. Now if the coefficients are horizontal and these values are vertical, then you have to do transpose. Okay, but we don't have to do that here. So that gives us the estimated price in euros for this vehicle.